Hello friends, today we will discuss about two very important tools or software which help us to take our system like Ubuntu, CentOS, Mac or any network device on remote for installing programs or transferring file or managing our server. So first tool which I will discuss about is Putty. So I'll tell you how to download it. So just type download Putty, click on first link, just click on this. You can download Putty here. It will start downloading. Just decide the system type, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. It is downloaded. I'm creating shortcut for Putty. Okay. Same way we will install winscp. So winscp is a free tool. It is used for SFTP, FTP, WebDev or configure Amazon S3 and SCP client for Microsoft Windows. Its main function is to secure file transfer between a local and a remote computer. Okay, so I am downloading it. So when you will install winscp, so it will support Putty. So it will support several network protocol including SCP, SSH, Telnet, relogin and raw socket connections. Just you have to follow the wizard. It's very simple to install both the software, but they are very helpful for managing server. So see, it is integrating with Putty and FileZilla. It is taking some of my remote desktop setting from those software. So now I have installed Putty also and winscp also. I am creating shortcut for this also. So now first I will show you how to take remote through Putty. So I am fetching one IP of my server. Enter here your server IP. Just click on open. Enter your username and password. That's it. You are logged in your system now, your server. You can manage your server from here. You can install any program from here. Same way we can use winscp. Just type your server IP and appropriate port, like here to take system on remote SS for SSH or FTP. You have to enter this 22 port number for SFTP. I'm entering my server password. That's it. Now you are into your server. You can see you can fetch any of the file. These are all my website in my server. Okay, you can copy paste your local data to your remote server. You can also access Putty from here. See, just enter your password. Just click on Putty, enter your password. Now we are into your server through command line tool. Okay. Hope this was informative for you.